In this video, we will show you how to replace your gas cap on this 2009 Dodge Dakota. This will be located on the driver's side of the vehicle, behind your fuel door. Let's open up our fuel door. Continue on to the gas cap strap. You'll find that this comes right over to this area. We'll use a trim tool to pop this out of place. Grab that gas cap, turn it counterclockwise to remove it from the vehicle. There it is, friends. All right, let's get ready for our installation. Put your gas cap in position, turn it clockwise, listen for a click. Once you've heard that click, continue on to your strap. We'll press that into its corresponding hole. Once that's secure, go ahead and close the lid. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.